Hey, it's really windy on my golf course today, Southern California. We've got 50-mile gusts of wind. I'm going to check out some of the damage here it's causing. This poor little tree lost a limb. Oh no, on the second hole of our golf course in the north, our water cooler blew over. Oh no, this guy's going to be damaged. Holy smokes. Hey, we got a little bufflehead out here. Look at that guy. He's enjoying our little breezy lake on our golf course. Over here, oh no, we have a little memorial bench here that fell over. I gotta straighten that guy up. Anyway. Looks like our beautiful live oak trees are doing pretty good in the wind here. Not a problem for these big guys. Look at that guy. He's hanging out. Palm trees are blowing pretty fast. All the way down our fairway here. Beautiful day though. Hey, we lost the top of this tree here. Right up there. Broke off. There's some of him right there. Sticking out. Here's the rest. Down here at the bottom. Hey, check out the windmill. Spinning around. Down here. We have another water cooler. Little house here blew over off that little stand. Anyway, it needs a little fixing up here. Hey, we lost another tree. Let's check out this guy here. Just split. Right there. Nice, fresh split. Not sure where he came from. Oh, he came from right up here. See that? Split little tree there. Hey, check out all the sand here. Just blowing right out of our bunker, leaving all the little rocks exposed. It's a lot of wind. Hey, down here in the water we have our American widgeons. And here we have our cormorants, a couple geese, and a mallard. Hey, on the 9th hole of our north golf course, here's our little weather station, blazing away there. But here, unfortunately, we lost a coast live oak tree. Really nice tree too. Quercus agrifolia. Just uprooted right here from the wind. This guy's probably, I don't know, about 150 years old or young. It's one of our little signature trees we have too. Little dot there. Please don't chop this tree down. Oh no. But fortunately, see that? We got a little golf ball here. I'll clean him up, use him later. Here we have the tee box on the 7th hole of our north golf course. We have another fallen oak tree here. Poor guy. He's probably only about 50 or 60 years old. Just a baby. Anyway, look at this. Just uprooted this whole tree. And the deal with these guys, see, their roots are lateral roots and they're rather thin. So it's kind of hard to hold these guys up if it gets real windy like this. The ground gets soft. But he's, I don't know, about 60 feet tall. Poor guy. Anyway. Great looking leaves too. Well, he's a goner. Hey, we have some more branches here. Fell off another one of our beautiful trees. Looking trees, but branches break off. Nice break there. Wow. Here we have the 10th green for our north golf course. Blazing windmill here, spinning around. Here we have waves in our lake. Hey, we have some more limbs here. This guy looks like one of our willows from the genus Salix. And we've got a nice clean cut right down here. So he blew off from our tree here, right at the top. See that cut right up there? That's where he came from. Hey, check out all this fountain grass just blowing around. Holy smokes. Sure it's windy. Got a beautiful jade up here. More fountain grass down here. And this plant, called California Coastal Sagebrush. Artemisia californica, right there. He's pretty resilient. Hey, right up here is the 15th green of the North Golf Course. Down here in the ravine, we lost this guy. It's a California fan palm, Washingtonia folifera. He's really tall. I can't go down there because it's kind of dangerous. Anyway, used to be a great tree, but he's a goner today. This here is our beautiful 17th fairway on the North Golf Course, and here's our new windmill. It's an air motor model 702, might be an 802. See, it's not spinning around even though it's windy. Show you what's going on here. There's a handbrake device, lever, right here. You take this brake, you pull it down, and it locks the tail in place, and that way it doesn't spin around, get knocked off its rocker. The whole thing comes tumbling down. Here's the last tree we'll look at, Coast Live Oak Tree on the 17th fairway. He's been dying for quite a while. He got root rot down here, goes up the trunk and the branches and the stems and rots this guy out, and he dies. He gets real brittle, the wind comes up and all these limbs fall down. Let's check this out. It's insane. What a mess. Great firewood. We have some up here too. This guy here is kind of just dangling there. It'll fall on my head. But there you go, that's our beautiful golf course and the hazardous situation out here on our windy day in March. Hope you liked that video. Have a great day. Bye.